Buwak Catholic Church. Buwak is the capital of the province of Marinduque with 61 barangays, and it was founded by the Franciscan missionaries in 1580. Dito ang Municipal Hall ng Buwak, Marinduque. Hello mga subscribers, makakaparami natin ngayon ang tourism officer ng Buwak, Marinduque. Ma'am, paano pang preparation nyo ngayon ng Moriones Festival ninyo?
Unang-una, we would like to correct, hindi na po siya festival. We call it Morion Lenten Rites.
Yes.
It's a form of panata, kaya hindi siya po, during holiday, kaya hindi na po namin siya ginagamit as festival. Because it's a sacred vow, and it is done during the commemoration po ng Passion of Christ. That's why we do not call it a festival anymore. But as of now, may mga practice na po na ginagawa ang ating mga actors ng sinakulo, or yung pagkakaroon po ng 3 days na sasariwa po ng mga naging buhay ni Christ. May mga presentations po na nangyayari na ginagawa po ng ating provincial government, at syempre sa bahagi po ng municipal government, kami po ay nakasupport sa mga activities po ng Morions, especially yung kanilang retreat and recollection before the actual ng Moriones. Actually, the whole province is simultaneously sabay-sabay po yung ginagawa.
Yung bang katulad ng mga hotel na pinuntahan ko kagabi, ay medyo fully book na. Ibig bang sabihin ay dinarayo na ngayon, as of the moment ay marami ng mga naka-reserve na mga turista papunta rito ng Buwak?
Actually, mga last 2 weeks pa po, alam ko marami na pong bookings ang mga hotel dito. Kasi dumadating na po rin yung mga pilgrimage groups. Marami po, kasi parang kami po ay nalinya sa faith tourism, especially this season. Kaya talagang bus-bus po yung dumadating. Yung mga pilgrimage group po, nauna na po sila mga last week po, yung last 2 weeks, busy po ang Diocese of Buwak sa pag-intindi sa kanila. Kaya masasabi po namin, by this time, siguro marami na pong fully booked na hotels.
Aside from itong Moriones nyo, ma'am, ano bang mga sino-showcase ninyong beauty destination ng Buwak at Marinduque?
Sa Marinduque po, all in all, we have several beaches po na magaganda naman sa Adam Municipality. For Buwak is mainly a heritage district po kasi ang Buwak. So we have the Buwak Cathedral, we have the National Museum, and the array of our ancestral houses na nandito po sa Buwak. And syempre po yung religious activities po na mostly yun naman po talaga yung event for the season.
Salamat po. Ito mga kasama ni ma'am sa tourism office. Morionan, a unique cultural tradition during Holy Week in the island of Marinduque. It involves men and women wearing costumes and masks to represent biblical characters from the Passion of Christ. The Morions are colorful and vibrant figures who parade around town, providing spectacular for locals and tourists alike. Morionan is a significant part of Marinduque's culture and history, as it serves as an important reminder of faith while providing entertainment to those who stand witness to it.